everyone, welcome to our Grab and Go series. Today we are going to show you how to do a wet pouring exercise from jug to 2 unequal cups. This exercise develops pouring skills in children and also develops their eye-hand coordination. Let's watch the presentation. Judith, are you ready? Let me show you how to do a wet pouring exercise from a jug to 2 unequal cups. Watch me do it. You may have your turn later. For more videos, follow us in all our social media platforms. Bye!